We're about to start the Soul Train line. As soon as Martise get the music going.
Go to YouTube.
Chop, please. Come on, this one.
So I can hear anything. So I can be like,
Aaron got to put his chapstick on. Okay.
You go this way?
No, we're going out this way. Her first we have Martise. All right. Martise. All right, come on, Jason. Lisa, come on, Lisa. Yeah, do the snake girl. Yeah.
You gotta do the John Cornelius Soul Train.
Okay, now it's Jason's turn. Oh, you took. He doing the kid and play. Okay. Aaron, your turn.
I'm not a dancer. I just.
Okay, my turn.
think about this song. It's crazy.
There you go. You taking all of them. You doing all of them in one move.
She is taking all of her, ain't she?
And she gonna be back. Okay, come on. Let me do mine again. Let's do another one.
I'm so mad at the one you was doing.
Okay. Go, Martise. Oh, stripper move.
Come on. Hey, we doing Soul Train. Come on.
Come on.
Soul Train.
Come on, Soul Train.
Come on, Tom. Tom ain't doing it. All right, Alicia.
Come on, do the kid and play.
Hey, got the kick going on. Got the kick going on. He ain't doing that. He like, peace out.
You messed it up, Lisa. You with the kid.
Aaron standing on the sideline just watching.
Yeah, that's what usual.
I'm gonna leave that video.
Who?
I forget what Martin used to do.
Okay, wait. Now we gotta do old school dances. I'm gonna change the song.
Part 2 in a few minutes.